It's all good. Right, so, hi everyone. I've got an opportunity. I've been given an opportunity to drive for the first time ever a tractor. Now, Malcolm, you don't mind giving us a little bit of information about what this is about, or what tractor it is, do you?
It's a Fordson 1959 Dexta.
Right, okay.
Which was replaced by the Ford 3000
Right, okay. So
in 1964.
Okay. So do you renew these? Do you sort of like take them from, not scrap, but you
take them from an example, like if you want to follow me.
Yeah.
I'll take them from an example which is like one on the store at the moment.
Right. Is that the one in the garage? Is it, Malcolm?
Which
wow.
is Fordson Super Dexta.
Yeah.
1963.
Wow.
Which is having a canvas cab. I'm stripping it right down.
Yeah.
And it's going to have a new canvas cab.
How long does it generally take you to read? Does it?
6 months.
Wow, there's a lot of work to it as well, isn't it?
Yeah, you got to take it back to near enough for bare metal.
Wow.
Some enthusiasts like them just oiled.
Yeah.
And left as they are.
Yeah.
But it depends on the condition.
Right. Okay.
And are they going to get any worse?
I get you.
Mechanically, it's all good.
Yeah.
It's just wear and tear.
Okay.
And British weather.
Amazing.
You know.
That's superb.
It all runs perfectly well. It just needs a good clean.
Do you do absolutely everything? Do you do all the engine work and everything as well? Do you, Malcolm?
Absolutely everything.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Heads, everything.
The skills to do that are getting lost on people nowadays. Everything's electric now, isn't it?
I wouldn't know what to do with.
Yeah. New one. No,
This learnt. I was brought up by my grandfather.
Right. Okay.
Fix these all the time.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even be able to fix.
Right. So, am I really? You're going to really let you trust me having a drive your tractor, mate?
Fully insured.
Is it?
Do you do driving lessons?
I do a couple, mate. I do a little bit. So it's very, very good of you. Are you going to be able to give us a little talk through about
exactly what to do?
Excellent. Right.
This is a hydraulics. You don't have to touch that at all.
Okay. Right.
Or this one. Do not touch.
Don't touch that one.
This is for a loading shovel that can go on it.
Okay.
This is your gears.
Right.
Lows forward. Back's
high.
Reverse is here.
Okay.
It's got 3 gears.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
That's your That's your pull stop to stop the engine.
Okay.
So you push that in to start. That's your clutch.
Okay.
And that's your brakes.
Okay.
And they're pretty good.
Right.
And that's your handbrake.
So that goes down there.
Yeah.
No problems. Accelerator?
Accelerator's here.
Ah, interesting. Okay.
Push it forward.
Yeah.
Take the revs off, you pull it back.
You pull it back, okay.
Only because I have it on reverse. Some of them you open up this way.
That way, so forward I want to go forward, back if I want to bring it back.
It's just, once you've set the revs up, you don't really have to touch it.
Okay, all right. So therefore, a gear change, for example, you don't need to adjust the revs at all?
Really, no.
Just literally declutch, change gear.
Because it's a tractor,
it'll
pull off in top gear.
Okay.
You just slip the clutch a tiny bit.
Right, okay.
Yeah, that's it, really.
Is that it?
You won't want no lower gears, you don't move.
No, okay. So where am I going? I'm obviously all insured, but
go around the lanes. You're fully insured with me.
Yeah, okay, real.
Go around the lanes up top. Just to avoid the main road. Really. It won't be you, it'll be them.
Okay, all right.
Steering's a little bit like an old Land Rover.
Okay, brilliant.
Once you're moving, it's fine.
Right, no problems.
They all have a little bit of play in it.
Sounds good.
Start the engine.
Yeah.
You put the ignition on.
Yeah.
And this is the start lever.
Okay.
You've got to make sure it's in neutral. This is a govern. When it's cold, it'll pick up.
Yeah.
So if you hold that,
yeah,
you've got to go. Pull that one back.
What's this one again?
high and low gear.
High and low gear, right?
That one forward.
This is going to be fun. Yeah, superb.
Just try not to go on the grass in case you drop it in the ditch.
Yeah, and there's not much room. What if someone comes the other way as well?
Pull over.
Just pull over.
Watch the edge.
Yeah.
Brakes are
Pretty good.
Put their gloves.
Excellent. Right. Fabulous. Am I right sitting on? Okay.
Right, so that just goes straight up.
So this is the clutch.
Yeah,
That's the brake.
Yeah, that's both wheels.
Does both wheels?
Yeah,
Okay.
Your handbrake. Shouldn't have to touch your handbrake.
Right, okay.
Even on a hill start, you slip the clutch.
Right. Is it okay in high ratio?
Yeah, that's the best one.
Okay.
Forward up. That
So-
side is the top gear.
So is that first? Your top gear?
Yeah, that will pull off in that.
Yeah.
Reverse is straight back. You shouldn't need reverse.
Okay.
Give it a few more legs. Not a govern. Handbrake. Handbrake's down.
Handbrake's down. Excellent.
Just steering as you go.
Yeah.
Just go there.
Haha. Wow. I'm not going to lie, it was a little nerve-wracking, especially on these narrow roads. So what I decided to do is actually slow down and practice stopping. And this was instigated by this bend coming up. The travel on the clutch was really long, but honestly it was very forgiving. The torque of the tractor was noticeable. I didn't have to change the engine's running speed and I didn't need to change gear. I was perfectly happy at this speed. Amazing. The steering did take a little getting used to. It was very vague and not car-like at all. I probably didn't expect it to be like that, but it did take constant adjustments to the left and to the right to effectively keep it straight. There seemed to be no dead centre. I do think the undulations in the road was affecting this though. This hill I was going up was also quite steep. The torque of the tractor engine had no issues getting me up here. Thankfully I didn't have any vehicles from ahead or behind throughout my little journey. But when I did arrive at the top of the hill, I had a decision to make. Where do I go? This tractor wasn't equipped with sat-nav, so I took the safe option. I used this junction and turned round. It did cross my mind how much lock the tractor would have to get me round this sharp right. So obviously I took it nice and slow, and luckily the tractor had a tight turning circle. Sorry about cutting the corner. It was clear and totally safe though. Now for the sprint back down the hill. Amazing. I was a little worried about vehicles coming because Malcolm did say to me about not going too far on the verges because there's often ditches the other side of them. And everything was fine until we had a little camera malfunction. Luckily the camera didn't get ran over. There was only a little bit of a dent. However, it kept recording. I parked in and ran back over to collect it. All good. Camera fail. I wedged the camera between my legs to make sure it wasn't handheld, and then I got on with my journey again. This camera angle shows even more so how much steering movement I had to do very little with the wheels. I'd like to say a massive thanks to Chrissie for organising this, but honestly Chrissie, you're not getting a job filming on any future videos, at least the road's in focus. I wasn't happy with my parking, so I budged it up a little, and then proceeded to brake the tractor. Turn off! I just pulled this out. Sorry, Malcolm. What's happened there?
It's called.
I'm so sorry, mate.
No, don't worry. It's only come off.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Malcolm.
All it's done is slipped out the eye, don't worry.
Has it?
Yeah, that's all.
Wow, what an amazing
It's
experience.
not a brake cable on a bike.
Is it?
With a little screw.
A little screw.
Done nothing.
Amazing. Thank you so much, mate. That was
You
that.
didn't go very far, did you?
No, to be honest, I got the feel for it. I just did a little.
Just got to get used to that steering.
You're right. Yeah, there's loads of little adjustments to do with it, isn't there?
What it does, it finds its own way, then it's all right.
Just stays there.
It's just.
Yeah, me camera fell off just down the road. That's what I was running back for. But
they're all like that.
That's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, mate.
See, when you're on a field, it don't do it.
Yeah. So what bits come out?
It's just a pull stop.
I'm with you.
On this cable here.
I'm sorry, I haven't caused you
there's
work to do.
There's a little nut with a hole in it and a screw, and
Right.
the wire goes through.
Okay.
And you just do it up with a screwdriver. That's all there is. That's all there is.
Thank you so much for letting me drive this
It's all right.
this machine, mate.
No,
First time.
at all.
How old is it again, mate?
1959.
Wow. I recently drove a 1967 Ford Corsair, so this officially goes into my record of the oldest vehicle I've driven.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Probably in the best nick as well.
Yeah, brilliant, mate.